In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads custom segments, explaining what they are and why they matter. Understanding how to utilize custom segments is an essential skill for maximizing the success of your Google Ads campaigns. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find it by searching for Google Ads on your preferred search engine, or you can type ads.google.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you're going to need to sign in. Just look for the sign in button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and follow the prompts to log in using your Google account credentials. After successfully signing in, you will find yourself on the Google Ads home. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. It's where you'll be managing your advertising campaigns. You'll want to direct your attention to the left navigation menu. From there, select the option labeled Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This is where you begin the process of defining who exactly your ads are going to target. Upon entering the Audiences section, it's time to focus specifically on audiences. So go ahead and click on Audiences. Here you will see any existing audience segments you may have. To create a new custom segment, you'll want to find the button that says Add Audience Segments. Clicking on this will allow you to start crafting a new segment specifically tailored to the type of customers you wish to reach. Now that you're in the audience creation interface, you have the power to define custom segments based on various criteria. This might include demographic information like age or gender, interests of your target audience, or even specific online behaviors. Keep in mind that a more personalized approach often results in higher engagement rates. Think carefully about who your ideal customer is and what online behaviors they exhibit that would align with your campaign goals. After setting up your parameters, don't forget to review everything to ensure that your custom segments accurately represent your intended audience. Double check all of your selections and make adjustments if necessary. Saving these segments is the final step in this process. Simply click the Save button and you'll have completed the creation of your custom audience segment. By creating custom segments, you tailor your approach and optimize your advertising efforts, enhancing the potential for conversion and campaign success. And there you have it. That's how you set up custom segments in Google Ads. Armed with this knowledge, your campaigns are now better equipped to reach and resonate with your target audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Google Ads experience.